You can also add in images from Google image search directly inside of Google Forms. So you can access Google image search directly by going on to the insert image option right here, and over here you can see Google image search is an option. So here you can search for different images of your choice right here. So let me just select nature and press enter, and you can see that there's various images that you can click right here to insert it out onto your Google Forms right here. You can do the same over here by going on to individual images over here as well, and then you can go around, search for different images and then insert them out from over here as well. So let me just click on insert right here, and the image will be inserted over here. So let me just go around onto the yes option over here as well, onto Google image search. Let me just type in nature right here and select out this, and then click on insert, and you can see that the image is inserted over here as well. So now you can see that your form is more visual from the images that you searched out from Google Images. So that is how you can add in images from Google Image Search inside of Google Forms. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.